Okay, so today I'm going to have a look at the Alfa Mito. For some reason the left-hand headlight just keeps going off. I don't know if it's a bulb or a wire issue, so let's open her up and have a look. Okay, so down here you'll see there's a cover. Oh, you can't quite see it there it is. So we'll take that cover off. Just a rubber cover. There you go, I'll take that off. And then you can see the bulb, just really hard for you to see it just here, but I'm going to try and wiggle it because last time I wiggled it, it came on, so let's just give that a go. Oh, so the bulb's just come out, so it obviously wasn't in that well. There it is, but you see, no bulb. I mean, not no bulb, no light. Okay, so I'll set the camera up so you can try and see me replace that. I'm going to replace the whole bulb this time. Look at that. So let's take that off anyway. It's tight. So this is what keeps happening. I put it in, it's working, and then as she's driving down the road, Michelle's driving down the road, it kind of quits. So hang on. So let's get the bulb holder off. I have to turn the lights off because it gets real hot, and there's not much room down here. But we'll see if we can. There we go. So the bulb kind of goes through this holder, or it sits in this holder. You can see where it lines up here, like that, and then the prongs come through, and then you push the connector on the back there. This is a swine to get in and to line up. It is, mind you, it looks there like there's a bit broken off, which is probably doesn't help, because when you push that in, twist it, it's supposed to lock in, but maybe it's got a piece broken there. So do I replace the bulb? Now you're not supposed to touch these, not supposed to touch this glass, because the grease blows the bulb, so it's supposed to. Does it? I don't know, but I'll clean any grease off. I've got greaseless fingers, so I think what I'm going to do is maybe put a bit of light grease on these tips, because I wonder if that's just going to help with the connection. So what I'll do is we'll go and put this back in, and then we'll grease just the very tips, so when we push I might use WD-40 actually, we'll see. Anyway, watch this space, but we'll go and try it. Okay, as I do this, it's way easier if you take the battery out, but I'm not going to. I'm going to try and get away with it. This is a devil to get in, so I'm going to try not to swear. So we put that in, not like that, like that. Now the hard bit is, when you put this in, the bulb tends to keep falling out, so it's very tricky. But anyway, I'll give it a go, let's see what occurs. the key here is much patience. Bearing in mind, this is how they design cars now. They don't want you to be doing this sort of stuff yourselves. Okay, that's in, I think. I'm 100% convinced that that's right though. So you should feel the click when it goes in, and I just didn't feel that click. So no. I don't know. Let's just try it a bit further around. God. It's interesting because now I've got out of here. Last time I did this, I lost a piece of plastic in the headlight. That was annoying. Okay. Is that solid? Ish. Okay, that's better. So I spun the thing all the way around to get to the other side. Now, I'm going to put a bit of WD on there. And possibly, let's just try WD. Okay, CRC 556, basically the same. Let's get that in there. Just a wee bit. Nothing too much. Get that on there. I'm just going to get a rag. Okay.
How's it going?
Well, it's that same problem. As soon as you just move the bulb.
Right.
Okay, now it's getting tricky. I need a light.
Yeah,
just jars it. Just jars it a bit. Yeah. Okay, let's put that somewhere. Let's put that there. I'll try and not block your view. But okay, let's have a look. Let's see what's going on. Okay, what I might try and do is put the back bit on first. That, okay. Let's get this up first. I'm not sure. Well, I think it goes that way. In. So I'm not going to lose the bulb now. Now I've got to get the bulb into that hole again, and I've got to give it okay. Okay. I've still got no light. Okay. Okay, top tip, don't touch a light bulb when it's on, it's really hot. Yeah, let's get a new bulb. Okay, new bulb going in. Put the little clip on. That's on. Okay, that's holding the bulb in place. Put the bulb in the hole. see if that works. Okay. So, top tip. If your bulb is coming on and going off, put a new bulb in, because it's not the connections, it's not a rust on it, it just came on. So I'm guessing the filaments on the bulb are just, there's a break and it's just touching sometimes, and when it's moved it's breaking. So save yourself a lot of grief. If it's intermittent, like this one was, new bulb, done. So there's the round cover. Just make sure that's on. That just stops all your dust and moisture going into the headlight. Put that on. That just pushes on, like so. Make sure it doesn't come off. That's good. Headlight's still on. Job's a good one. There you go, look. Faulty bulb. Doesn't look like it's blown. Don't know if you can see that. Doesn't look like it. But it's disconnecting somewhere. Whether it's down here or whether it's up here, who knows. Top tip. When you put a new light bulb in, make sure it goes in the bin.